Welcome to Silly Sylvie, a channel where we explore valuable financial wisdom suitable for the whole family. In the fast-paced world we live in today, saving money has become a crucial part of our daily grind. Whether you're on a quest for financial freedom or planning for a brighter future, the art of saving is a noble pursuit. But hang on a minute. Sometimes we get entangled in the web of so-called money-saving tricks that, at first glance, appear thrifty but end up burning through our precious time and energy. Worse yet, they might even take a toll on our health and well-being. So, let's have a heart-to-heart about these 5 money-saving blunders. I'm here to make you aware of these traps and steer you toward a healthier spending philosophy. 1. Your health should be a priority. Now I get it. We all want to tighten our belts. But sacrificing your health for the sake of saving a few bucks? That's a bad bargain. Think about it. Wolfing down cheap fast food might save you a measly $5 per meal, but what about the long-term cost to your health? Nutritional deficiencies and obesity can hit hard, and let's not forget those tempting discounted or expired food items that seem like a steal. Spoiler alert, they can lead to hefty medical bills down the road. Here's a fresh example for you. Picture this. You've got an array of fruits at your disposal, but you decide to kick things off by munching on the rotten ones from day one. What happens next? You're stuck with spoiled fruits for days on end. Now, imagine an alternative where you ditch the initial rotten fruit and go for the fresh ones from day one. Bingo! You're now savoring fresh and healthy fruit every single day. The cost here is simply forfeiting that first spoiled fruit. Of course, it's smart to plan better and avoid waste altogether. 2. Don't skimp on quality and performance shopping time. Many of us get tunnel vision, fixating only on the price tag and completely ignoring product quality. You might pick up cheap clothes, gadgets, or groceries thinking you're being budget savvy. But here's the kicker. These hasty choices often lead to low-quality products that won't last. They might even pose safety risks. Take, for instance, buying a dirt-cheap TV. You save $100 up front, but guess what? It craps out after a year. Meanwhile, that slightly pricier TV could have been your loyal companion for over 5 years, practically nullifying the $100 you saved in repairs and replacements. 3. Hidden costs lurk everywhere. When we're in money-saving mode, we tend to wear blinders, only focusing on what's right in front of us, the price tag. But there's a sneaky villain called hidden costs. Here's an all-too-common scenario. You want to save a mere $8 on parking fees, so you park your car by the curb. But then, bam, you get slapped with a $100 fine. Or how about this gem? You spend an extra $20 on things you don't even need, all in the name of qualifying for free shipping and supposedly saving $10 on delivery fees. The irony? You end up splurging on stuff you could have done without. People tend to see what they're losing, but often miss the extra expenses. That initial idea of saving on shipping costs magically transforms into blowing more cash on stuff you didn't really want. 4. Time and energy are precious. Time is money, right? Well, time is also life. And so is energy. Some folks invest an obscene amount of both in their quest to save a few bucks. They obsessively compare prices online or walk miles just to save a couple of dollars on transport. But here's the catch. It leaves you drained and dents your overall quality of life. Imagine opting to walk home to save a mere $10 on a taxi ride. Great, you saved a few bucks. But what did you lose? An hour of precious time that could have been spent on something far more rewarding, like work or relaxation. Remember, sweating the small stuff is not worth it. 5. Don't let discounts overrun your space. Now, let's talk about those discount chasers. They're like treasure hunters, always on the lookout for deals, no matter if they need the items or not. They hoard mountains of stuff, thinking they're saving big, but they're actually creating clutter and chaos. Here's a thought-provoking scenario. Think of 1 square meter of storage space worth a whopping $20,000. Now, in the pursuit of a bargain, you fill that precious square meter with dirt-cheap items that demand $20,000 worth of space. That's right. It's a storage space hostage situation. This relentless hunt for discounts often leads people to hoard cheap stuff, gobbling up valuable living space, and that comes at a steep price. So, how do we break free from these money-saving mishaps? It's time to adopt a savvy shopper mindset. First, remember that your health is priceless, so make smart choices that promote well-being. Next, strike the right balance between value and price, picking products that offer the best bang for your buck. Also, factor in opportunity costs. It's not just about price. Think about risks, time, and energy too. Lastly, steer clear of blindly chasing discounts. Buy what you genuinely need and skip the unnecessary splurges. In a nutshell, saving money is a noble pursuit, but it's crucial to do it wisely. Be aware of the traps of ineffective money-saving practices. By cultivating a savvy consumer mindset, you can achieve financial stability while enhancing your overall quality of life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay updated.